YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, Retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. Look, day after the 4th. I hope everybody got their fingers, their hands, their toes. Look, didn't do nothing crazy. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all 4th, the Independence Day with your family. Yo, check this out. Before we get in this video, gang, I need y'all a favor. If anything's red at the bottom, do me and Maddie a favor. Go on, make it great. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share our videos. This is what me and Maddie's here for. That out the way, I'm going to hop right into it. I know y'all see the thumbnail, mystery unboxing, hype shoe. I don't know which thumbnail I'm going to use. I want to do this right. I'm going to tell y'all right now, you need to be following Josh and Gal on YouTube for what I'm about to tell y'all. Let's hop right into it. Dope unboxing. Let's get into it, gang. All right, man, look. This pair, I was supposed to get this pair. I thought personally, I ordered it back on the 24th of last month. Typically when Nike ship, you know, you get the shoe maybe 3-4 days. When me being in Atlanta, they shipping from Tennessee. I thought, no, didn't come until the 3rd. Come on, really? All right, Nike, long as it came. I know why. Because, you know, it's a good shoe. It took a little while for it to get here. Let's open this thing up, man. Unbox this together. Let's see what we got. Oh, I want to put glue and stuff on it. All right. What's in the box, fam? What's in the box? A possible winner of the off-white raffle. The giveaway can get these. Let's get it. I'm kind of excited myself. Plain box. What we got? Nike Zoom Terrain Tiger 5. You got me? Off-white. You see the OW? Let's get right into it, gang. You see the paper. 2020 MFW Off-White 2013. Hope y'all see this on the paper. Okay. These are women's shoes, women track, running shoes, or athlete shoe, period. They're making everything unisex now. That's what you can kind of see. How they got it on the box. They got a women's 13.5 and a men's 12. You know your boy size, so I had to try it. All right, let's see. Let's get into this. So if you're an athlete, hopefully you're gonna be feeling these. So of course, let me hold one shoe while I talk to you. This is how one of them look. We got Off-White, trademark of Nike, Kiger, Beethoven, Oregon, USA. Look, 2019. And even though it got engineered to the exact specs for a trial for runnings, worn to be wild. Instead of born to be wild, worn to be wild. Nike Zoom. Got laces on it. They got laces. Of course, this one particularly got that, you know, that Nike hang tag here. The off-white hang tag, shall I say, is green. This is almost like it's a different green. It's not like a regular hang tag that I had on them off-whites from 1990s. Air Max. This one is almost like got a little algae feel to it, like a carpet. You got trademark Nike right here, of course. Shoestrings. You got double laces already. You got the green laces, the lime green laces, and then, of course, wouldn't be right if it don't say shoelaces. Classic orange here. And you know, with the off-whites, the tongue. I see these on this. I hope they're showing on the camera. Let me set this down. These got holes in them. Kind of can see that on the camera. I hope so. Hope everything's showing up. And of course, you got that classic off-white tongue in the inside. You know what, man? Y'all know what I need to do, right? Let's hit the wall. All right, man. I had to hit the wall. Get y'all this detail review. If y'all don't know by now, when me and Maddie get the shoe, we try to hit the wall and give y'all a detailed review as possible. And like I was saying on this shoe, y'all can see that. You got Off-White, trademark of Nike, Kiger, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 2019. And you kind of see what I was talking about, engineered specifications of trial runners, worn to be wild instead of born, like that. Got the toe box here. And you got these spikes on the bottom for the athletes, man. If you want to run, climb a mountain. Let's give you all this detailed review. I wonder what this +4 stand for. Somebody let me know. Leave a comment. I mean, like I was saying on the laces, you got shoe laces. You got this on here too as well. The green one says shoelaces. Zoom in camera. There we go. And then these perforated holes I was talking about. Now you can see them. You got the Nike. Of course, they're going to give you the classic tongue. Just Nigel. Inside, off-white. Got the orange tab here. That's one. That's what I was talking about with the other shoe. What I was talking about with this hang tag. Y'all don't go nowhere. Stick with the kid, man. Stick with me. See that? It's like a suede. Instead of like just the normal orange, hang tag they give you. I guess to try to make it feel like a grass, track and field grass. This is the only way I can think of this. Or why they put that at the bottom. They got you like kind of running through the shoe already. You see that? That's not a stain. It's like, I guess you're supposed to be already training in process. It's kind of peeling. Glad I had this pair in the shoe box. Back. Okay, gang. Let's see. Make sure we got y'all. I'll go to the paper. Let me show y'all the paper on the box. So when people get their off-whites, it's coming in the mail. They know what's going on. I like the paper. The paper is dope. You see that? Make sure everybody can see the paper. And the box came with the holes here. You got 1, 2, 3 holes here. You got another 2 holes here. See? That's how they do you. I'll show you all this once again. Hey, gang, so this is what's going on, man. Me and Maddie has teamed up with Josh and Guile on YouTube and on IG. Follow Josh and Guile on YouTube. Go look for the thumbnail on Josh and Guile's page on YouTube. It's going to say sneaker collection 20,000. I'm going to be on the thumbnail, Retro Rick. Maddie was out of town. But y'all look, watch that so you can be aware how you can win a free pair of off-whites. This might be one of the pairs that I'm showing you. We got sizes. This is a size 12, 13 and a half in women. I do know Josh got a pair. Guile got some pairs of some off-whites, same shoe. We got some 90 Air Max off-whites. What else we got off-whites, man? If y'all been following me and Maddie on IG, I'm going to show what's going on with YouTube. This is why we need YouTube. We need y'all to make this a lituation, make this raffle. Good. Once you sub, you got to stay there. The way my boy Josh got it set up, it's an app. I want to say it's Gleam or Glim. When you go to Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks, I apologize. When you go to Josh and Guile's page, in the bottom below the description, it's going to show you how you can enter. You can enter up to, I think you can get 1 entry, 2 entries. No, we got like 3 to 4 entries. Watch the whole video under Josh and Guile. Sub up to their channel. Once you do, you're going to see at the bottom how you can enter. There's more ways to enter. You got to be subbed up to a Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. That's a plus. It's not going to happen. We're not doing no off-whites. If you ain't rocking with me and Maddie, like I said, you dare stay there. This is another possible pair. No, not playing with y'all. Y'all, everybody should know me by now how my raffles are, how I get down, how me and Maddie's been giving back. There's a lot of people out here on my feed and channel. If y'all want something from me and Maddie on YouTube, y'all shout me and Maddie out. Let everybody know everything's official. I want to get this raffle. Off-white raffle? Come on, man. Free giveaway, free entry. The only thing you got to do is sub up to Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. Be a sub of Josh and Guile. For other entries, you can follow us on IG. But you got to do everything on Josh and Guile's page. The description's going to be below. Josh and Guile. Look for $20,000 sneaker collection. Your boy is going to be on the thumbnail, so you know you're at the right spot when you go there. Let me give y'all a little bit more on what's to come. I'm going after more off-white pairs. Don't worry. So we got 3 in the shoebox here. I'm going to show y'all another pair down the line. This raffle is for 30 days. It ends, I want to say, July the 21st, if I'm not mistaken. So look, everybody enter. I've been letting people know on IG as well. Everybody been seeing me what's going on with the off-white. I've been telling y'all, go watch Josh and Guile. Now I'm letting my people know what's going on YouTube. YouTube, we need y'all, man. Don't cap me and Maddie. We're going to make sure everybody do this right. We're going to keep giving back. Keep giving back. As well as, I got the sign out, man. Y'all ain't seen my face besides the intro. I got to hit y'all with an outro, man. Retro family. Retro gang. Look, man, when I say gang, I don't want y'all to think we out here hurting nobody. I'm going to take care of my gang. And that's y'all, my subscribers, my A1 since day one, my retro family. Look, y'all know what it is, man. It's still a whole lot of gang, man. We love y'all. Stay double strong. We out. Off-white, man. Y'all enter up now, man.